Assalamualaikum. Hope that you all are well. In this video we are going to learn how to measure area of my study set automatically. Let's start the video. First of all, I have to open the QGIS, then I have to upload the OpenStreetMap. From the OpenStreetMap I have to extract my study site or study area. For this video tutorial, suppose Dhaka University area is my study site. So I have to search the Dhaka University area from the search box and double click on the location. Here you see that this is the Dhaka University area. Now I have to extract it by using quick zoom. I will go to quick zoom, then quick query. In key I have to provide amenity, as this is a university area, and in value I have to provide university. And here I have to provide canvas extend. Click on run query. It's loading. Here you see the Dhaka University area already extracted. This one is the Dhaka University area. I will measure the total area of this site or this Dhaka University campus, as it is my study site. In a previous video we also learned the process of measuring of area by using measuring area tool, and this was a manual process. And if you now select the area, here you see that the area came here. The area I will select, it will show here 0.441 kilometer square, this area. So this is manual process. In this video we will learn automatic process by using expression, where I no need to select any area. By using mouse, click on it and it will be showed very automatically. For that I have to go to the layer, go to then open attribute table, and from this go to open field calculator. Here you see that a new window came. For first of all you have to name the field. Suppose it is area meter square, and in output field type will be decimal number real, and here you have to provide the expression. And for measuring area in meter square, the expression is $sign area. Then click on OK. Here you see that area measured in meter square unit. This one is the meter square unit area. If you want to calculate the area in kilometer square unit, you have to again go to the open field calculator, then fill the name again, and suppose this is area kilometer square. Output field type will be decimal real, and you have to provide the expression here. For kilometer square unit, the expression is $sign area divided 1 million. Click on OK. Here you see that the area showed here 1.114 kilometer square. The area of my study set is 1.114 kilometer square, and this is very simple process. The previous manual process was very complex and there is a big chance to make mistake, but in this process, automatic process, it is 100% right and there is no wrong, as this is an automatic process. In this process you can easily measure area of your study site very easily and accurately. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any query, please ask in the comment box. I will answer here. Thank you very much.